Jonas owns a small cafe on a busy street. His customers come for the atmosphere, the outdoor tables, the conversations, the quiet moments between orders. Lately, something new has appeared. Drones flying overhead. They're quiet, but they catch people's attention. Customers look up. They start asking questions. Are they filming? Is our privacy protected? Who's operating them and why are they here? Jonas doesn't have answers. He starts looking for information, reading articles, announcements, and public updates. But they're full of unfamiliar terms and explanations he can't easily follow. Uspace Wiki helps make sense of the language around drones, eVTOLs, and urban air systems. Clear definitions, written in plain language so anyone can understand what they're reading. And if a term is missing or unclear, anyone can submit a request, with experts reviewing and defining terms to keep the information accurate and up to date. With clearer understanding, Jonas knows what's happening above his street and what it means for his cafe. Because as our cities evolve, clarity matters. Explore, learn, and help shape a more understandable future with Uspace Wiki.